Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
Back into some changing weather here across South Florida with the front beginning to move in our direction by the end of the week. That's going to warm us up out ahead of the front. I'll show you that. But then a stronger blast of cold air coming in, and that's going to impact a good deal of the eastern U.S. And finally, unlike the last few fronts stalling out across central Florida, this one makes it through, and that's going to bring us some cool temperatures we haven't seen in quite a while. It's part of a big winter system that's going to be moving across the eastern U.S. The cold front associated with that low that heads up into the Carolinas. Watch the clock there by Wednesday. That'll bring us the cold air behind it, and that's going to set us up for Thursday night and into Friday morning. That's the chilliest part of it here, with a big dip in temperatures, humidity, and that is going to all combine to make it feel very different on Friday morning. And need some sweaters. We haven't needed all of February. We had one of the coldest Januaries in the last 15 years, and then all of a sudden we just flipped the switch in February. Well, not going to completely stay there, but we are going to chill out here by the end of the week. And Friday morning we'll wake up to 60s in the Keys, but it's mid and upper 50s. That's cool stuff here for the rest of us as we get one day with widespread 50s, and then we'll begin a moderating trend. But we'll take the cool air, because that comes with low humidity as well. Now, all ahead of this, tomorrow we just get an east wind that's going to bring us some showers, so prepare for about 20 to 30% chance of showers. Not expecting thunderstorms or anything like that, but kind of a nuisance showers that'll be with us through the evening commute even, and then things begin to wind down. And then that front that's going to trigger the showers tomorrow, it's actually lifting up as a warm front, and then back behind it, as you saw there from the Gulf. That's when we get a big wind shift here out of the south on Wednesday, and then due north coming up for Wednesday night and into Thursday, and that'll begin the movement of cold air from north to south. Plenty of cold air bottled up to the north. Hasn't really left in the entire month of February here. We just haven't had that moved all the way down to the south here, but the jet stream is going to help us out as it dips a trough across the east. And there you see the wind shift from east to south to north. We get all over the place here when you have that kind of wind direction. That's a big changing pattern. Friday looks great. It is going to be a chilly start on Friday, but a nice rebound in the afternoon. So we'll get high temperatures closer to average, but a little below for a change as we get deep into February. Some showers return with an east wind coming up for late in the weekend and early next week.